This is Xiaomi 13 Lite, and in this video I would like to share a few useful camera tricks and tips for this device. So let's launch the camera application first, and to start off I would like to demonstrate or highlight the Pro mode that this camera offers. So basically what the Pro mode is the camera mode allowing you to manually adjust such parameters as the white balance, the focus, shutter speed, ISO value, exposure value, and switch lenses from wide to ultra wide, and vice versa. The next tip that I have is how you can take high resolution, high quality photos. In order to do that, simply enter the high resolution mode, which you can do by entering the more section of modes, and tap in FT50 MP, which stands for 50 megapixels. And now, let me take two photos, one in the 50 megapixel mode and one in the regular photo mode. And now let's compare the details or the specs of those photos. So this one I took with the regular photo mode. So let's see. Here is the resolution of this photo and the file size. And if I will open up the photo details for the ones that we took with 50 megapixels, you can clearly see that the resolution is significantly increased, and so is the file size. So basically, to sum it up, the 50 megapixel or higher resolution mode grants you more photo quality, deeper details, an overall improvement in the definition and resolution of the pictures that you take, but it comes at the expense of occupying the files or the raw photos, occupying more storage space. So the next cool tip that I have is how you can change the shooting method, or rather enable one of the interesting shooting methods, which is the voice shutter. In order to do that, you will need to tap at these three lines and just tap at the voice shutter icon over here. And now, in order to take a photo, you gotta simply say cheese, and as you can see, the picture was successfully taken. Very convenient feature to have. Once you just tapping at the shutter button or at the side power keys is inconvenient, you can just take a picture by simply saying cheese. And fifth and final tip I wanted to demonstrate is how you can customize and enable the camera watermark. In order to do that, you will need to go into camera settings, and in here at the modes field you will be able to find the watermark itself. Now you can choose what content will be shown at the watermark, either timestamp or date and time, device watermark, or both. And you can also set you can also add some custom text for your watermark to display. So let me enable everything and check how the watermark looks. And as you can see here, it says the device model, then the custom text that we've set, and the date and time. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. If you found this tutorial or guide helpful, do not forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.